You should have just saved your project for the web. The next step in documenting mastery is to get your artwork onto Behance and then to submit the link from Behance into the assignment on Canvas so you can get graded. So I'm logged into my Behance account. If you notice along the top here, there's a big blue button that says Create Project. So I'm going to click that. And it loads up this project editor. And you'll notice there's some options here on the left and those same options down here on the bottom. We want to start our project with our image, our artwork. So I'm going to upload a file. And I'm in my web folder where I have that JPEG that we exported and saved for the web. In this example, doing my line art project, I'm going to click choose, and it's going to insert that image into the top of my project, and then you're going to add text and do your write-up or your reflection, right? So this is my write-up, for example. So make sure you answer the prompts that are required for you in the reflection. Once you have your write-up done and you have your image in place, we need to save it and then click continue. You need to give your project a title. All right, so this project is Illustrator, line tool. You want to name it the name of the project we're on. So this one's line tools. It might be vector robot, it might be self-portrait, whatever the project is that you just finished. Next up, we're going to hit a little glitch, and I'm glad this happened during my previous attempt at the tutorial so I can show you how to fix it. Right here, we need to upload a cover image. We can't save our project without a cover image, so I'm going to hit upload image. I'm going to pick that same file, right? And I'm going to click choose. And it says, please choose an image that is at least 632 pixels tall. So if I click on this again, and I click on this image, you will see it's 792 wide and 612 tall. It's 20 pixels too short. So what do? I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to switch back to the project in Illustrator. I'm going to show you a quick switch technique here. I have Illustrator open, so I can drag this window out of the way, but that's not working smart. If I hit the command key with my thumb and the tab key with my pinky, I can command tab over to Illustrator. I just happen to have that project that I'm trying to submit currently open. I need to export it again. File, export, save for web. And if you recall, image size, it said our height needed to be 632. So as long as your chain link is pressed down so it's dark, it keeps it proportional. And I'm going to change this number to 632, and it changed that to 818, so it's a little over 103% bigger. I'm going to hit tab just to make it save, and then click the save button, and I'm going to overwrite, it's already there, that existing file, and just click save. Do you want to replace? Yes. Okay. Then I'm going to command tab back to Safari. I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to click on this one, and it is now 632. Click choose, and it's going to fit in this project cover art window. Now let's say as we make another project it may be bigger and doesn't fit. You're going to crop the best part of your image if it's too big to fit. So we want to crop and continue. Basic info under tools used, you can add, I would suggest adding the tool. So this would be Adobe Illustrator. And click done. If you use multiple tools, add multiple tools. Don't worry about the other stuff. You can give your copyright information, like if you wanted to copyright your work, you can add that. Oh, it does say required. What creative field is this? How would you categorize this project? So let's add that. Call it graphic design. Or I guess you could do illustration or both. Click done. We have graphic design and illustration. Don't worry about display or discoverability. And we can hit publish. Now your project's published. If you get any pop-up windows, you can close it, but you do want this right there, right? This link. We're going to copy that and put it into Canvas. If this doesn't pop up or you closed out, you can copy it from the URL bar in the browser, but I can copy that. I can close it, and then I want to paste that into the assignment submission box on Canvas, right? And you notice this is Gallery and Illustrator line tool, not your main profile, but the project itself. Make sure you turn in the direct link to your project, and you're all good.